Welcome to Dxtrade and the Dxtrade platform video series. In this video, we will give you an overview of the Dxtrade mobile trading platform and just some of its features. Firstly, the steps to access Dxtrade Mobile on the Apple iOS App Store are different than those on an Android device. You can find Dxtrade on the Apple iOS App Store on any iPhone or iPad. Search for Dxtrade and select Dxtrade by Dxtrade, not the generic Dxtrade app. You must log in with the same credentials as you use for the Dxtrade DX web platform. To use Dxtrade on an Android device, you must download the APK file from the Dxtrade website, either from the home page under Dxtrade Access and Android, or from under Platform Tutorials and click on Android. Check your Downloads folder to ensure you have received it. There are many ways to get an APK file onto your Android device. The simplest way is to use a file sharing program like Google Drive and open it on your phone. The app can then be installed by following the instructions on your phone, and you will see the Dxtrade icon on your device. As well, here you must log in with the same credentials as you use for the Dxtrade web platform. Once you are logged in, you will see your account equity exactly as it appears on your Dxtrade web account. Tapping the figures reveals your overall account details. Tapping the three-dot menu allows you to change your account reference from US dollar to euro and back. Tapping on a watch list will display all of your watch lists. The pencil icon will allow you to edit watch lists, add symbols, delete symbols, and rearrange symbols. The expand icon will allow you to get a better view of all the symbols on that watch list. Tapping on any symbol will display its chart, the instrument details, the trading hours, and the overnight fees or swaps on long and short positions. We will provide a more detailed video on charting, but you can change time frames and change your price action display. You may add indicators by searching, and delete indicators. We will provide a more detailed video on placing trades, but you may set your position size and use one-click trading. Or tap Trade to set a position with stop loss and take profit for a market order or a pending order. Tapping Portfolio will display your open positions and orders. Tap on any item and you may close a position or modify a position. Search will allow you to find any available symbol, add it to your favorites watch list, or open it. Menu and Settings will allow you to change your security options, activate or deactivate one-click trading, and change your theme from light to dark. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this Dxtrade video series, and don't forget to like, subscribe, get notified, and check out our other videos on Dxtrade.